Welcome back to another episode of Penny for Your Thoughts. It's your boy Chuck, and today we back with another Should That Shoe Be Retro?
No information from the street so far?
In this episode of Should That Shoe Be Retro, we're talking about Nike basketball, one of the most iconic shoes that they ever created. This shoe, when it came out, it was groundbreaking and something different. Nobody never seen anything like it. It cost well over $100 and something for this basketball shoe, but a lot of people paid for it because it was so comfortable. And it was just different, something nobody never seen before. We talking about the Nike Flightpostie, man. First shoe, or one of the first shoes that had a zip on it. But before we get into this shoe, I'm gonna need you guys to hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon so you guys can be notified we dropping new content to the channel. And also you guys can follow us on our social media accounts on Instagram and on Twitter at PENNY_4YT. That's on Instagram and on Twitter. And also, if you guys want to get any of this Penny for Your Thoughts merch, you can see I got the navy blue hoodie on with the orange and the white. You guys can email us at p4yt2016@gmail.com. Enough with the talking. Let's get into the shoe. Here you guys go, Nike Air Flightpostie. It's my personal pair. Let's get into the shoe, man. As you can see, I got the black nylon here with the black Nike swoosh right here. Got the Nike swoosh right here in white, stitched on. Got the zipper, Velcro, oval laces. I don't know if you guys can check that out. Right here on the tongue, it says Flightpostie. It's my personal pair. You know what I'm saying? You got Nike back here also. You know, it's a very clean shoe, still very comfortable. You know, this is one of the Nike basketball classics right here, man. This shoe, like I mentioned in the intro, man, this shoe when it came out, man, it pretty much changed the game. There wasn't too many sneakers out with foam on it, and there wasn't pretty much any sneakers out on the market that had a zip on it, so this changed the game. I remember this had an iconic commercial. If you remember when they was doing all the moves with the basketball in the commercial, it was for this shoe. It was the gold pair. I also got that pair. If you guys want to see that video, man, let me know. Leave in the comments below. I'll definitely do a video on those. But shoes clean, man. It's Eggplant colorway, man. It's crisp, man. Got the Nike swoosh right here, carbon fiber right here. Mean bottom still Nike swoosh right here, silver. Crispy, man. Very clean shoe, man. And these shoes are very hard to mess up. You know what I'm saying? They're very durable. And they pretty much stay, you know, in shape. They don't get messed up. You barely see any creases or anything on it. The shoe is very old. I can't give you an exact date on when I got them, but the shoe is really, really old. And it's still crispy, man. Like, I can still pull these out and people think they brand new. Like, I just bought them from Flight Club or something like that, man. But yeah, very tough shoe, man. And the question I'm asking is, do you think this shoe should be retro, man? If you think so, leave in the comments below. If you think not, still leave it in the comments below, man. Let me know, man. Let's keep the conversation going. After the video, maybe we can talk in the comments. I answer all comments. But these are fresh, man. This Eggplant colorway, man, it's crazy, man. The gold colorway is crazy. The silver, I have both pairs. Let me know if you guys want to see those. I'll do a video on that. Or any other shoe that you guys want to see me do a video on, let me know, man. You got the, you know what I'm saying, got the air vents right here, both sides. Crispy. Just very clean and authentic shoe, man. And this shoe, it did big things for Nike, man. And they only retroed them a couple times. There's a couple of other Flightposites. You know what I'm saying? You got foam posits. You got the Tim Duncans. You know, got foam on it also, man. You got a couple of other shoes out there that got foam on it, man. But by far, man, this is one of the most popular. This is the foam posit, and the Tim Duncans are definitely the top 3 most popular ones, man. But let me know if you want to see this shoe retroed, or if you don't, man, leave in the comments below, man. With that being said, we're keeping it 100 and not a penny less. Peace.